Okay guys, this is a 2024 Ford F-150 Platinum. Present you from Real Deal Auto. It's got the 3.5 EcoBoost. Basically brand new rims and tires on it. Rebuilt title. Damage was right through here. All been fixed up, ready to go. Put 500 miles on it myself. Drives great. No issues. Power running boards. Panoramic sunroof. So 12,018 miles on it. Heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, four-wheel drive, locking diff, tow package, 360 camera. Navigation, all your driver assistant, wireless phone charging, smart key with remote start, adaptive cruise, blue cruise, power sliding rear glass. B&O sound system, power folding mirrors, blind spot monitors in them. It does have massage seats. VIN number, all weather floor mats. Rear heated seats. It has a split tailgate. Power here. Spray and bed liner. Tow package. Passed an alignment, means no frame issues. Here's your window sticker, $85,000 sticker. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.